Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can round the numbers within Power BI using number functions in Power Query Power BI. So let me just take you to Power BI. So again, let me just get data. Choose the Excel workbook, then number functions. So here we are. Here we are. Let me again choose the number, the first table here. So I'm still using the same table that we used for the basic addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So I'll choose that table and click transform data. So now again I want to do away with the other columns. So let me try do away with the okay, again let me remain with the selling price. So I will choose this column and click, then remove the columns. So here we'll say this is selling price. Then now I want to say, let's assume that this is 10% of sales. Sorry. So this is 10% sales, and now we want to 10%. Let's assume this is 15%, not 10%. So this is 15% sales. So we want to get 100% sales. So we'll select this column, add column, then standard. Then we'll go to percentage of. So we want to get 100%. So here we'll write 15. So here we are. Here we now have the 100% sales. 100% sales. So now you want to see how we can round off. And rounding off again, we'll just come to the number functions. Then we'll click this one here for rounding off. There's an icon here to rounding. So we'll click this arrow here. So here we have round up, round down, and round. So when I start with the round up, it means that the values will be rounded up to the nearest highest value. When we go to round down, the values will be rounded down to the nearest the lowest value. So round, we'll just choose the decimal places that we need to round off to. So let me choose round up first. So this has been rounded up. Instead of 933.33, we have 9334. So this has been rounded up. Again, we want to round down. Then I will select 100% sales column. Then click this arrow for rounding. Then I will go to round down. So here the value has been rounded down. Rather, the values have been rounded down. So when I want to round, just round and select the decimal places that I should round up to. So I will just select this column again for 100% sales. I'll choose this icon for rounding, then click on this arrow, then I'll go to round. So I can choose the decimal places. I can make it 0, can make it 2, or can make it 3. So let me just get 2, and I will click OK. So here we've rounded. So here we have 2 decimal places. So this is how to round. We have round up, round down, and just round. So we have quite a number of functions in number function. We have trigonometry, we have scientific, and then we also have information. So this one is odd, is even, sign. So this one will tell you when a number is even, another one tell you when a number is odd, and this one is tell you whether the number is negative or positive. So these are the functions you can also use just to know whether some values are even or when some values are odd. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood how to work with the rounding of numbers and generally how to use number functions. I've just touched a few, but those are the basics. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.